Hi guys, welcome all of you back to my YouTube channel. This is VirtualBox. I am Pawan. In this tutorial I am going to show you and I am going to give you a best solution for this VMware workstation error on dual core PCs. So if you have to face this kind of error, that means you don't have much more compatible PC to run this application and emulate their softwares and other things on your PC. So that's why we have to face this kind of error on VMware workstation players. Let's get start our video and see how we can perfectly fix this error in 2022. Please subscribe my YouTube channel. So guys, when we have to face this kind of error on VMware workstation player, we can solve this problem from installing an older version of this application, but it's not stable. If we install it 12.5.7 version of this VMware workstation player, we can launch that application without facing any of errors. But the problem is that application was released in 2017 and is not compatible for newer versions of Windows and Linux. We need to have an updated application, and also we need to have the ability of run newer versions of Android and Linux on that app pair. This is 2022 and there are so many newer versions of Android and Linux are launched in it comes to 2022, like Windows 11 and also Linux 21.4. So how we can install those kind of OSs on our device without having and facing any of errors? So that's the problem we all have to face. When it comes to this kind of error, we can solve that problem from installing VirtualBox on our device. So in here you can see I have installed Windows XP and Windows 10, Windows 8.1, Windows 11. Almost all of these versions of Windows I have successfully installed and launched on this Oracle VirtualBox VM Manager. If you want to install this kind of virtual machine like Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 or XP, you can refer my old tutorial that I added to the description of this video, and then you will be able to install any of Windows version on your PC without having any of errors. So let's try to launch this Windows 7 and see whether our Windows is working or not. So you can see our Windows 7 OS is successfully launched and it's working fine. And also I can use this VirtualBox shared folder for share files between this my original operation system and my virtual operation system. So you can refer my old tutorial to install any OS like this on inside of this Oracle VirtualBox VM Manager to solve all the problems that we have to face with VMware workstation. So this is the end of our video. Thank you all for watching this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, turn on notification and join with me.